In this list, we've reviewed the best GPS for truck driver available in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I have included options at several price points, so no matter your budget, we will have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. At number 1. TomTom Via 1535TM GPS Navigator. The roadside assistance feature of this device helps connect users to a vehicle specialist whenever it becomes necessary. This ensures you're off the road as soon as possible if you have a breakdown. A voice recognition feature allows users to control the device without taking their hands off the wheel. Bluetooth connectivity combines well with this feature to enable users to make and answer calls with ease. The device comes with free lifetime traffic and map updates with regular updates every 3 months. The IQ routes function enables the Navigator to decide the fastest route to your destination. At number 2. Rand McNally TND 750 GPS Truck Navigator. The hexacore processor of this device provides a smoother and faster operation and response from the device, while the improved thermal resistance increases its operating lifespan. A magnetic mount ensures a secure attachment of the device to any part of the vehicle. Some excellent routing features make this device perfect for navigation, including the dynamic weather overlays, real-time traffic, 3D buildings and landmarks, current fuel prices, and more. The 7-inch screen displays a clean, modern interface with easy-to-find icons and clear images. What can you say about our first 2 products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comment section and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when I upload a new video. Now, let's continue.